Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome to 4am Art. So in this video we'll be drawing this bird using pencils, including a white pencil, and we'll be doing it on gray toned paper. So as much as possible, especially if you're just starting out, try to roughly draw in the basic shapes. You can see here I drew in a circle for the head, oval for the body, triangular shapes for the legs and the tail feathers. And then start putting in where the details would go, including the beak, the rough shape of the wing. And use light pencil strokes for this step, of course. That way it makes it a little bit easier to erase as needed. What you want to do is get all the proportions right from the beginning. Once you have the proportions where you need them to be, then you can start putting in as much detail as you want, knowing that it's going to look correct. So I'm going to try to keep this a little bit simpler by using a little bit more regular hatched and cross hatched lines. Trying to keep them all as much as possible going in the same direction. My other drawings, most of my other drawings, I'm a little bit more loose, and I will go in different directions, more like a scribble line. By keeping your, say, cross hatch lines more regular, it makes it a little bit neater, I think. Maybe a little bit more graphic. You can, of course, get somewhat darker lines using the regular lead just by adding extra pressure. When drawing straight lines like this, try to move from the wrist or the elbow or even the shoulder, and it makes it a lot easier to be able to draw these straighter lines. At this point, I've switched to my black mechanical pencil, which again has the darker, softer lead, 4B lead. And I'm doing this drawing in a more graphic style with a pretty dark outline. As I've mentioned before, sometimes I will use a pen to do this part and just outline it. So reserving the pencil for the shadows and the details. I've switched to my white pencil to add the highlights and the lighter tones. Remember, the toned paper covers the gray midtones. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed and found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.